Boaters, start your engines. 1 minute, 15 seconds to meal time.
Bill Bridge. Roger Pink.
1 minute to meal time.
Shape and bake. Richard Romero.
45 seconds to meal time.
Lenny
30
Glenn.
seconds to meal time. Fifteen seconds to meal time.
$29, $28, $27, $26, $25, $24, $23, $22, $21, $20, $19, $18, $17, $16, $15, $14, $13, $12, $11, $10, $9, $8, $7, $6, $5, $4, $3, $2, $1.
Good start.
On Lenny. Got buoy on Lenny. Got buoy on Vince. On Vince.
Final lap. Final lap. Final lap. Roger Payne done. Shape and bake done. Final lap. Final lap. Final lap. Bill Bridge done. Richard Romero done. Vince Donadio done. All drivers are finished. Lenny Blake done. The race is completed.
Second. Richard was third.
Start out with Richard Romero. The number is 4.
Oh, Richard was fourth?